How many of you like to travel? Like जो भांडुप का फोटो डाल के बोलते wanderlust hashtag. कौन है वो लोग यहाँ पे? I need those people. No, seriously, how many of you like to travel? Couple of you do. We have one gentleman sitting in the white t-shirt over there. So what is your name? Mohir. Yeah. Mohit. तो टी का pronounce करना बेटा, बैंड्रा वैसा तो क्या हुआ? Can we please welcome Mohit on stage, guys? Give him a round of applause. Everybody is wearing white today. Oh my God. Such. Stand on this side, Mohit. Yeah. Mohit. नहीं, इधर थोड़ा इधर. Perfect. Now, Mohit, before we do anything with you, I need someone to keep this for me. How about you, sir? What is your name? Chetan. Mr. Chetan, keep this with you. Chetan, sir, are you happy or are you married? You are happy. Is your wife in the audience? No wonder. Okay. I'll tell you, ma'am, if you were not here, the answer would have been different. ये आदमी, उसकी आंखें, ये कंधा. All right. Now, Mohit, this is important. Nice mustache, dude. Mohit, here's what we're going to do. You like to travel, right, Mohit? Yeah. I have a couple of traveling options here. They are good options. Okay? No, seriously, they are good. See, we've got Hong Kong, we've got Mysore, we've got Nepal, Assam, London. We also got Bihar. Look at that. I'm the only man who could bring Bihar to Mumbai without getting the Shiv Sena offended. Look at that. Only man who could do that. Now see, that joke is going to cost me. The moment this video goes up, my uncle will be killed in 2 days. Look at that. Yeah, they'll be sitting there going like, hey, taude, tisa kakala thoka isa hai. Gammat karto re amsi, manje ka ek thoka tila. I just realized they will not shoot my uncle because of this. They will shoot my uncle because of all the grammatical errors I just made. This is great, dude. This is what we live in. We have Jaipur, we have Australia. We have a bunch of these different random places names. And Mohit, you're going to pick one of these, okay? Now, it doesn't matter if it's your favorite place or not. You just need to pick one at random, okay? So, same drill like, you're going to say stop wherever you like. Right there. Are you happy with that? Take that. Do you want to change your mind? No, okay. You see it, don't show it to anyone else. You see it, you remember it. Or what the hell, show it to everyone. Let them see it. Let them see it. It's okay. It's okay. And put it inside the pack anywhere you like. Now, usually at this point of time, hold this. At this point of time, we would try to either guess the place or stuff like that, right? I want to do something different with this, okay? So, for this, I need an umbrella. The problem is, I don't want to use my own umbrella because a lot of people think that they're magic pro, I know where you get your shit from. So, I will borrow an umbrella from the audience. Anybody in the audience has an umbrella? Oh, Mr. Chetan, you have one. I'll take that, sir. I'll take that. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. That was good. That was good. So, here's what we're going to do. Mohit. Spread the cards in your hands. Just spread them. Spread them. Lovely. Now, in a moment, Mohit, you're going to throw the cards. Right here. Like, try to keep them in front of me. Okay? इधर थोड़ा. सबको मैं ही adjust करेगा आज. सो गया गान वाला नहीं. Mohit, तुम लोग क्या एक जगह पे खड़े नहीं रह सकते क्या? मैं खड़ा है ना इधर चुपचाप. Mohit, you're going to take those cards and you're going to throw them. Okay? And when the cards are in mid-air, I will take this umbrella and I will stab a card. And that place is going to be on the umbrella, your place. How crazy would that be? 5 people like it. Others are like, हाँ हम लोग रोज करते हैं घर पे. बीवी तवा फेंकती है, हम लोग सर से पकड़ते हैं. सही. All right, I'll do one better. I'll add another layer of impossibility to this. I will do this whole thing, stabbing thingy, without being able to see. No. Now I cannot see anything, ladies and gentlemen. No, I'm kidding. I have a blindfold here. I have a genuine blindfold here, Mohit. Why is it genuine, Mohit? Because I said so. No, don't fall for it. I'll give this to check. Make sure. Put it on your eyes and make sure you genuinely can't see anything through it. Pura khol ke dalega kya? Is it okay? Who just went here? Who the hell has a naughty brain like that? Now you're going to put that on me. You can hold the cards and do both. It's called multitasking. Put on me nicely. Muh pe nahi beta. I see you've done this before, Mohit. That's good. Now, Mohit. Idhar hai bhai. Mohit. Spread the cards in your hands, Mohit. Keep them ready. Yeah. And you'll have to answer, okay? Because I can't see Jack. Yeah. Mohit, have you spread the cards in your hands? Yeah. You ready, right? Yeah. Mohit, throw the cards! When I count till 3, okay? I will go 1, 2. What?
I do that.
Should you pick them up? No. You related to Sahil by any chance? It's okay, I can handle this, I'm a professional. क्यों दागा साहब क्यों दागा No, but I did say, Mohit, I did say I'm going to use the idhar. I did say I'm going to use the umbrella to sort of find your card, right? I'll keep my word, Mohit. Is it this one? No. What was the place, dude? You were thinking of Goa? I can't even see Goa. Are you sure? Shit. Now, Mr. Chetan, you took this umbrella from me before he picked Goa, right? And then it's been in your hands the whole time. Yes? And nobody did anything to it. You kept it genuinely. You see a little bit of black on this, bro? A little bit of black on the umbrella. You picked Goa freely, right? Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, Goa! Please give him a huge round of applause! Mohit, ladies and gentlemen! I'm going to put that away. Thank you so much, Mohit. You were wonderful. You can go back to your seat. Mohit, guys. Mohit, yes.